Hey Mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're all having a great week. This week it's just a little bit of an update. There's not a great deal going on. It's a show season after all, so you don't want to get involved in any big major projects or anything like that. It's kind of just bits and bobs, so it's hard to keep the content updated this time of year. But I've got a little bit anyway, and that's Mark just working on his Mk1 minivan. I can't remember what year it is. When I do, I'll stick it down here. But yes, a beautiful early Mk1 minivan. Mark had to do the rear wheel cylinders on it. It went for an MOT and it failed its MOT on imbalanced rear brakes. So I think it already tried brake hoses on it, but then I said you might as well just do the wheel cylinders as well. So he done the wheel cylinders and then it passed the MOT. So I'm not going to do an oration for it. You know, wheel cylinders, they're pretty straightforward. I'm sure most people can do it themselves. But I thought it'd be just interesting. It's some footage to watch. It's a beautiful Mini, and there's some beautiful Minis in the background as well. So look out for them. Really, really nice cars. So for me, update from me. So we got Vinny under the cover here. Vinny is going to the track day on Tuesday. That's Tuesday the 23rd of July. It's a Goodwood motor racing circuit, and it's with London and Surrey Mini Owners Club. So I've just been checking the tyre pressures on Vinny, getting it all set up, doing the tracking. I've had all the wheels balanced. I've checked the oil, the water, that sort of thing, and as you've seen from recent videos, I've done the racing seat harnesses, lower the column. So Vinny is pretty much ready to go, and behind me we've got Piao. Piao's just back from underneath the covers, so it's been under cover for about 3 weeks, and I just forget how gorgeous this car is. You know, it's beautiful. Every now and again I think about selling it, but I put it under covers, I forget it's there, forget what it looks like, and just when I take the covers off, I'm like, no, can't sell it, it's too nice. I forget how beautiful it is. Really is a beautiful car. Anyway, it's been undercover just because I haven't been using it, but I've got the headlining kit, which is over there. So I plan to do the headlining over probably this weekend. So the weather's really bad outside at the moment. It's raining. I had planned to take PO out, give it a road test. Again, I've had all the wheels balanced and I wanted to see what it was like, but I'm not going to be able to do that. So I might as well get cracking on the headlining. It's something I've been putting off for weeks now, but I just need to get on with it and get it done. So that's kind of it. What else we've been up to? Well, you might notice behind me, if I can get it into shot, there's a tape measure on the floor. Why is there a tape measure there? It's because I'm measuring out for another Mini. I don't know, I'm just getting bored. I need another project to do. When I bought this house, this garage, I'd always measured it up. I know 3 Minis will fit in here. It's more of a question as to actually being in here with all my stuff in here. Can I fit 3 Minis in here and be able to work on one of them? So can I store 2 and still work on the 3rd? So I've been measuring the Minis, measuring the floor space. Mini's about 10.5 foot long, about 5.5 foot wide. So where Piao is behind me at the moment, I can turn that 90 degrees and I can fit Vinny and Piao side by side, and I'll still have some room down here by the toolboxes. It does of course mean behind me I will be restricted to where this rug is down there. So that'll be sort of the line where the Minis come up to. So I'll have all this space over here. So it'll be kind of like working in my old single garage again. But yeah, I don't know. Might do it, I might not do it. It depends if it's the right car. I've seen one that looks really interesting. Don't want to go into too much detail because I haven't bought it yet. I don't know whether I'm going to get it. And I don't want to get my hopes up too much. I can tell you it's a 1997 MPI Mini. It's been in storage since 2006. It says it needs a full restoration, but I don't know. I know what MPI Minis are like. They rust really badly, but it's been in storage since 2006. Got 60,000 miles on it, I think. and I really want to find out whether it genuinely needs a full restoration, like full bare shell rebuild, or whether it just needs things like, you know, seals, mechanical work, subframes, a few panels. If it does, then I'll probably just do a partial restoration on it, just because I don't want to get that involved with a full restoration. Something I'd like to buy and do over a few months, as opposed to, you know, 6 months, a year. So we'll see how it goes anyway. Don't want to get my hopes up too much because I might not pull it off yet, but we'll see. And just before I go, just as a reminder, the classic mini YouTubers giveaway organised by Cole at Classic Mini DIY is still on. So there's a $600 voucher up for grabs, or £470 worth in P&L mini vouchers. So the reason we've done that is we all used to do our own giveaways as individual subscribers, or sorry, individual creators, YouTube channels. We all kind of chat to each other, talk, collaborate, we text each other, we WhatsApp each other, we watch each other's videos. I mean, we just try and help each other out, really. Even to the point we try not to upload videos that will clash with each other and that sort of thing. So rather than doing our own giveaways, Cole had the idea that we'd all stick a little bit of money in the pot each. And what that will allow us to do is give a much bigger giveaway, do it worldwide, and then get a lot more people involved. So that's exactly what we've done. Probably about 10, 12 YouTubers. We all put our own money in, and then we went to some mini suppliers and said, look, this is what we do. We'll quite happily promote your shop, you know, your online shop, if you will contribute to our giveaway. So we approached P&L Minis and they said they would. So we put some money in, they put some money in as well. So the winner of the contest will win a P&L's mini gift voucher up to the value of $600, which is about £470, 530 euros, I think it was. So anyone can take part. It's very simple. Stick a link down the bottom. That's to all the other channels. Consider subscribing to them. Go and watch the videos. You know, give them a thumbs up. Whatever you need to do. Like I said, I don't think there's any catch to entering. You just got to go down the bottom and do your thing. There's no catch at all, really. Yeah, pretty straightforward. So hope you have a great week. Apologise, not much of an update this week, but yeah, just lots of other things going on. IMM coming up soon. I think there's 3 weeks to go or something like that. Might even be less than that, but really looking forward to that. I'll be going, both cars will be going, Lola will be going as well. Yeah, brilliant. Look forward to it. If you're going to IMM, look out for me. Come over, say hi. I think all us YouTubers are camping together as well, so should be quite interesting. But have a great week, guys. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. Cheers.
pulling hair.